Welcome. If you're tired of missing important updates in your favorite Telegram groups, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable group notifications in Telegram, so you never miss a message again. Whether you're using Telegram for work, study, or just to keep up with friends, turning on notifications for your groups is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the group chat where you want to receive notifications. You'll see all your chats listed on the main screen. Just tap on the group you're interested in. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top of the screen. You'll see either the group's profile picture or its name. Tap on this area to open the group's info page. This is where you can manage all the settings related to that specific group. Now, on the group info page, look for the notifications option. You should see a switch or toggle button labeled Notifications. If the switch is currently off, simply tap it to turn it on. When the switch is on, you'll start receiving alerts for every new message posted in that group. That's it. You've now enabled notifications for your Telegram group. From this point on, you'll get notified every time someone sends a message, ensuring you never miss out on important updates or conversations. If you ever want to customize your notification settings further, like muting the group for a certain period or adjusting the type of notifications you receive, you can do so from this same menu. Thanks for watching. With these simple steps, you'll always stay connected and up to date with your Telegram groups. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.